How is the Smart Rotator growing my Global Domains International business and company? And can it do the same thing for you? Hi, I'm Carol Reve. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Very excited about this. This reminds me back of a few years when I was growing GDI. I've been in GDI. This is my second time. I've been in it for 8 years this time. And this reminds me of a simple system that I found years ago, and I grew it, and it just exploded my GDI. This system is 10 times better. This has capture pages in it. It has sales pages in it. Everything is all set up for you. Okay? They send out, and you don't have to know, they send out emails on your behalf with your links in it, explaining how the rotator works, explaining what GDI is, what it gives for you. It has incredible information on it, but the only way you're going to really, I think, believe and know is by results. Not a lot of people show results. So this is January 26th, and this is, okay, this is this rotator I'm very excited about. All right, like I said, it's simple systems that you can plug into that grow this. All right, if you're already in my team, in my GDI team, you can just, there's a spot right here on this rotator where you can scroll down here, and I encourage you to listen to read all through this. It's a Smart Rotator that are active in this, and that is key. You need to be active. Okay, just scroll down here a little bit more and see it says already in GDI, already a GDI member. Click here, and you just enter your username and just follow the instructions. Okay, there's a live activity stats page right there, and you can log into the GDI Rotator right here. Okay, so again, I absolutely love this system. This is the best system I've seen in years come out with. They actually send you paid signups. Some of these people that have been getting signups haven't gotten signups in a long time because I haven't seen their names come up on here. Some of the people, you know, if ever. Okay, so this works. Now it takes consistency. Okay, it takes patience, and you just have to do a couple qualifying things, which it goes over those things inside. It's send some hits every week to your links, which gets, you know, if somebody signs up from your link that you're advertising, you get that member. Okay, it's not a team link where somebody else is getting a member. Okay, this is really good. It's that, and then upload your downline report, which I've done other videos on how to do that, and then advertise a banner. Boom, you're qualified. You're qualified to get up to 10 GDI signups. Okay, just think about that. If you bring in 5 people who bring in 5 who bring in 5 down 5 levels, that has a potential of earning you $3,905. Now that's not a guarantee, okay? That's potential. Okay, you can also potentially earn nothing from this. Do nothing, that's what you're going to earn, okay? And just think about, for a minute, of 10, it's not just doubled, okay? Because it opens up other bonuses and other things for you. Okay, so I really encourage you to take a look at this. Systems are what make you successful. The best days that I've ever earned with GDI were because of a simple system that I plugged in and advertised. Okay, and this system is 10 times better than the system that I used years ago, and I'm very excited about it. And as you can see, right here. Just okay. So you can click the link below. And if you're thinking about joining Global Domains International, you can join from the Smart Rotator link, and you can also get the Smart Rotator at the same time. Okay? Okay. God bless and take care.